Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a bit of international flavour today.
Yes, last time we did a little spread like this, it was reminiscent of a traffic light. Called it the traffic light unboxing. I don't know what we're doing here with this one. But this is a massively overdue unboxing.
Certainly is.
These coins are, I would say, staples, but they really haven't this year. We're now getting to the point where we're starting to hear news of some of the 2025 releases, and these are the first time I think we're seeing some of these ones in 2024.
2024, which is a bit sad, really.
It's because we've had so many other things we've been trying to get in.
Certainly have, but this is the first time. This is actually, I think, the first time I'm seeing the Canadian image of King Charles, so that will be interesting in real life.
I was going to say, we've seen it a couple of times on stream, but there we go.
So the good old maple leaf, you can't go past it. One of Matt's favourites is the maple. So beautiful coin.
Love the radial lines on there.
Yeah, they do a great job with it. And so many security features on these things, it's huge. And then over the page we have King Charles III.
The question that's immediately going to come up is the comparison to the Perth Mint, the effigy that Perth Mint use. How, if you had to pit them against each other?
I don't have a preference.
Fair enough.
How's that for being non-committal? Yeah. I don't know. Don't have a preference.
The Canadian, not the Switzerland, Michael.
Yeah, that's right. So we'll leave that one out because we might do a bit of a comparison at the end. So 2024 maples. If you need them to complete your collection, they are now in stock.
At least continue the collection.
Yeah, that's right.
They will be continuing through 2025.
Now the South African krugerrand.
Exciting to see the colour change on the box that changes every year as well. We've moved to a bit more of a purpley colour there.
What I'd prefer is they just made them easy to get out of the flipping box.
It's a security feature. You keep talking about all these security features we like. That's one of them.
Maybe I'm just uncoordinated. Wouldn't be the first person to accuse me of that. Had to laugh at my son in here the other day and he couldn't open these things either, so it must be a family trait. All right, the beautiful, very beautiful actually, South African coin, the krugerrand.
I don't know if it's something they've done differently or if it's just been a while since I've seen it or what, but the rim is standing out there a lot more than it normally does to me.
I think that's pretty standard. I don't think they've updated it too much. Maybe it's the way the light's catching it.
Maybe. Oh yeah, that's it. I just haven't seen one fresh out of a tube in a while.
Beautiful springbok on there. Looks great. I love the design. And these, unlike their gold brethren, these are 4/9 silver.
Yes.
And over the page,
Paul Kruger.
Doesn't seem to change much over the years.
No. Yeah, you don't really have multiple effigies to compare like we were just doing with the maple.
No. So the 24 krugerrand is in stock. And last and certainly not least, probably my favourite government issued coin, although it's a close run between a couple of them.
Certainly my favourite monster box.
Ah, yeah.
I love the styling they've got on there, and yeah, I'd say it has the most character out of definitely the ones we've got on offer today. But I would suggest probably all the national mints.
Yeah. Don't stress. I'm not going to take a finger off. Ow! No, just kidding. I still can't get the thing open. Here we
I was going to say that's when the accident happens.
Yeah, that's right. So the philharmonic, for all you musical types out there, we'll start off on the other side. So you've got a series of stringed instruments, even the harp in the background. They just do a beautiful job with this. It's simple yet very complex.
Absolutely.
I love the design. One of the few without any readings on the rim, so a very smooth rim. And then over the page, you've got the one that I always call a building, which is actually...
I think if you go through our history, you'll find us calling it different things, from a building, a gate, and then what it actually is, which is an organ located in the Golden Hall.
It's really quite embarrassing when this is actually seriously one of my favourite government issued coins, and I can never remember what this flipping thing is. Even before we came on camera, I said to Ruben, now hang on a sec, what's that thing on the other side of it? So it's slightly embarrassing. But there you go, we have the 2024 edition of the Philharmonic in as well. So Ruben's right, a bit late in the year to have them, but they are now in stock in the 2024s. The Maple, which is always a favourite, the Krugerrand and the Philharmonic. Grab them while we've got them, because fairly soon we're going to be unboxing the 2025 ones. Almost guaranteed.
That was going to be my question. Do you reckon it'll be about this point in next year, or do you reckon we'll be getting them a lot earlier?
We'll get them in a lot earlier next year.
Exciting. All right, good stuff, Michael. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.